Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will see how the Leonardo AI work and how to generate realistic photo with Leonardo AI. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Okay, let's start the video first. You need to open any browser that you want. I am using Chrome. In the search box, search Leonardo Ai, open the website, and click Get Started. Here you will see different types of options like Home, Personal Feed. In the AI tools, you will see image generation, motion graphics, real-time canvas, real-time generation. Slightly click on image generation. Here you will turn on legacy mode to get better result. Here you can select how many photos you want to generate for one prompt. If you turn on the photo real mood, you will get hyper-realistic photos. Here I have generated quite few photos now. I will show you how to generate these photos. First, come to this box and write the detail prompt you want to see as a photo. I will write, create hyper-realistic photo of a person taking crops from the field, and he is so tired and has a sad face. Now let generate and see what it looks like. It will take a while to generate the photos here. You will be given 150 coin every day, and each photo will cost 6 coins. I am generating 4 photos with one prompt, so it will take 26 coins. Okay, here are the AI photos that we have generated. It looks very realistic looking. If we click on one above, we can see it's looking so real that no one can tell whether it's made by Ai. And that's how you will make Ai photo with Leonardo Ai. Every day you will get 150 coin to use. But if you can, to purchase its premium version, you can go with the Starer plan, which cost only $10 per month. If you want to add motion on your video, you can also add that too. Come on to this page and click on one above that you have generated early. Click on Image to Motion, then select Motion Strength, then click Generate. Look, our photo had the motion. If you want to use free version, you can use Temp Mail to generate unlimited mail. You can use in Leonardo Ai. So, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Comment what you need in the future. Should I need to create a details tutorial on Leonardo AI? Also ask me any question about this AI website. I will try to answer your comment as soon as possible. See you in the next video.